We've all been there. You've spent all that money on food for barbecuing, only to find that fish sticks, veggies drop through, your chicken disappears, and that prime cut of meat just won't turn. So frustrating. For a more creative solution, you need the new fantastic non-stick grill mesh from Creative Products. This amazing grill net has a specially formulated non-stick coating that prevents your fish and chicken fillets from sticking. The fine mesh construction means you'll no longer lose your tasty food to the hot coals. Grill mesh is suitable for most types of barbecue and is easy to cut to size and shape with just regular scissors. To use, simply light the grill. Now wait for the flames to settle and form hot glowing embers. Place the non-stick grill mesh on top of the grill and start cooking. Place your fish, meat, sausage, vegetables and chicken on the mesh. Nothing falls through and the food is easy to turn. You can serve straight to the plate with ease. Not just for barbecues, it's ideal when grilling food inside your regular oven. Nothing sticks, and you can easily cook pizza with a perfectly crispy base. Chicken flips without the stick. No one likes cleaning the barbecue. Food gets welded on. Thanks to its non-stick nature, grill mesh is easy to clean, under the tap or in the dishwasher. So say goodbye to ruined, sticking food. Get the all-new Creative Grill Mesh for a safer, tastier grilling and barbecue experience. Take one or more to the checkout now.